welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sweet Pea, and it's a little vlog with Rasta and Nick. But sorry people, the audio is missing. I don't know what went wrong along the way, but anyhow I can't find the audio for the video. So Nick a go and blessing up same way, and Rasta go and big up in the meantime. So with your Chester Castle, yeah, I go do some little work. Rain a fall and thing, as you can see. If you did not hear the video, well, you did hear the showers of blessings. May I tell you, it's a nice place. Rasta about to correct some work where did go wrong, but you don't know Nick they are same way if you do any little thing where need to be done also. So this is the place. Rasta lick out back 4 block, you know, may I tell you, whoever did put in them block here never did do it good. So Rasta have to take out the entire about 4 block, and so him have to take from right there. So where you see him, it take him a not too long still, cause you know when a man know in job, he just know in job. So him did go and pick out stone and thing, and I go and decide what him a go do today. So after him remove those block, because him not even know if no block the outside for use, you know. See my racket there, I try to get it out, but the bottom piece, it down in the ground, and the people them who do this, them never cast the black hole none at all, as you can see the black hole empty. You understand? It come like then just put on a block and just dress up of a dress up. So this never look good. So all of this I wanna see Rasta touch, where you see Nick touch right there, so them have to go take off the whole of this. So you all bend up bad people, look on the level when Rasta hold the level. You see a level lean at one part. And me fi tell you, yes, so nice. Yes, man. Paradise Boutique, big up yourself. Right through. You don't know me at talk, boy. Well, Rasta finally get them out and thing, and outside we go for them black they come give him. Is because me never catch all live video, cause me did busy too. Me drop asleep at one point, but me and Nick go look them black they figure Rasta. You understand? So me been at work. Yes, it's not like me a supervisor only. Me been at work. You understand? So see Rasta put him back the black them did there. So me say Rasta get down to business, you know. Cause after Rasta put in the black, Rasta realize say, but me can't put one next block up there. So me have to go lick off the top. You see me? So a lot of the people, and it seems like one piece of mesh. The inner the concrete. So when him even lick off the concrete, the mesh kind of hold the concrete together. You notice how my licky, and so my crumbs are drop off, but it not just chip out and drop big because the mesh hold it together. So if you don't need any work to be done, you know, you can link me up. Yeah, Rasta skill like that, man. Rasta hard. Rasta say hard. Yeah, man, you just link me up if you don't have any little me has to work for doing them little things there. I have the link them. All you need to do, just call the shots, me will lick them. Get in couple of my bad charge them and come mash up the works. And if I painting, we have that lock same way. See Rasta do why people them never did do that. Rasta full out the black hole, and is a good thing say. Them never went full out the black hole, you know, because then do it lean. So if them did full out the black hole, well you know say black them the harder for lick out when you hold them full out. This is the after. This is after when Rasta done. Rasta saying done over there, so you know, Rasta work over next side of wall too, you know, I should have shown you know before. Rasta do it. All I wish part you see the wet cement there when I dry it, Rasta do them part there over. Wall it bend up bad all over the part over here, so you see we are looking right now. It did real bend up. Rasta chip off every chip off on the master. And me I tell you say him fix up. Him have couple work left to do still, but that I go stay for another day. You understand? Yeah, that I go stay for one next day. So big up yourself, Rasta and Nick. Yeah, done a great job so far, and hoping for soon or some other time at the same place I do some more work again. So guys, look out for our next video. We're gonna be here. Alright, big up on yourself, and thanks for watching. And you don't know, I said this is when we are come home back, you know, we know people. I know nothing good. Rain catch we, look on the road. Rain a fall, rain a fall, rain a fall. And me I tell us the whole place underwater. We not reach a Mount Pella yet, so we heading to Mount Pella right now. But me I tell you, mud like nothing, water like nothing. So we are take we time and I go through people. Yeah, me just imagine what Bickerstead looks like and Copperwood underwater, cause if so much water they up here. So, but the reason why the roadside looks like this is because them a work on the road. Them a put in some big pipeline over where you see the heap of dirt dig up to the side. Them a put in some pipeline and then them cover it back. You understand? Them have a project going on, so that's why the road even muddy and looking messy look like this, cause them working on it. Yeah, people, it's not easy. Front end no stop, lick out, back end, side end, top end, every end. Me I tell about, watch tires no man, watch tires no man, Vaxia move. Yeah, people, so all who no press like on the video yet, you don't know, mother appreciate it if you do so. Press like no man, share up a video same way, and enjoy the little view. Yeah, that is almost 1 pillar we reach now, guys. We almost reach a 1 pillar. Anybody we are watch the little vlog here and you know the place, you can tell me which part we reach, you can tell me where the traffic you catch we. Jaja God, right at Copperwood. May I tell you one piece of water there in front of we, no people. This is nothing good. Just hold on, you soon see it. You soon see water cause the traffic now move. So we have to just park up right as in the traffic. Yeah. So we right as park up behind another van here. So we are wait for the traffic to get free up. So see the van take time and move up there and bus a come down and thing. Don't bother feel like the road too clear. It don't clear. So we are going to wait so till a few time because we can't too rush it. You may not see no water right here, so which part we there now. But go up further, up the soil water there. Up when you see them light posts there, may I tell you, heavy underwater. Anytime rain fall, them places are always full of water. And we coming. Yeah, we reach right a Copperwood one church there, so I don't remember what church them, but see cross there one. Like a blue and white place there. Yeah, and we're going up to the plaza. So you can see water on the roadside. You see water there, so yeah. This a man, he might move like him not see traffic, so. I saw some of them drive and roll still. I know and cause more traffic on the road, but we are wait for we turn. Because it don't make sense we rush. You cannot drive over to the left side of the road. You can't drive over there, so you have to drive on the right side because the road flood and more water there to the left than to the right. That's how you go. To my left when me edit the video. Yes, alright, they say water there. Right now, I know say the river them come down and thing. I not have to ask, but I not go reach to none of the river them and I could have shown no farmer clip. Yeah, just a little water here so I can show no. And we are going home. The rain is up and now still, as you can see. It's still bright. It look bright and pretty, but the place under one heavy piece of water. You see how long we in traffic here, so? And imagine some part of the video where I cut off, you know, make it too long and drawn out. So, see them vehicle they are a little bit of distant away from me, but we are going to catch up back on them. Because the water heavy, people. The water real heavy. Long stretch of water to pass through. Road want ice or something want go on. Because probably if them icy road, some people are going to flood out. They need to make some drain where water can run off and then something. I don't know them going to do it, you know, but this need to be dealt with, because a long time now we play stay so long time from ever since me know years and a pass. When rain fall and go on with itself, I know nothing good. You have to crawl through. Yeah, you have to take time and crawl through. So in the meantime, guys, Nick have one YouTube channel for all those who don't know. The channel name Vibewithsquaddy. You can go over there and watch out. Any little thing you wanna see him have post on the channel. Him have a little short movie on it right now. The name of it is Rat Gone Puss Take Charge. The one day I go hard, I want to know, run up the views. Go over there and run up the views. While we get stuck in the water here, so we are trying to find a way to go home. You understand, people? So for all who watched the video for this far, thanks much and big up on yourself. Me think we kind of out of heavy water for right now. So stay tuned, guys, until one next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.